BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Hey, I'm looking at portable grills, the Nexgrill Fortress, and the Weber Q1000. Any thoughts?
Oh yeah, I've seen both. The Nexgrill is 179.74 and the Weber is 229. So right off the bat, the Nexgrill is cheaper.
Okay, price is definitely a factor. What about size?
The Nexgrill boasts 263 square inches of cooking space, while the Weber Q1000 has only 189. So with the Nexgrill, you can cook more food at once, and it has 2 burners.
Good point. I'm often cooking for a few people. But how about power?
The Nexgrill has dual burners putting out 13,500 BTUs. The Weber has a single burner at 8,500 BTUs. So the Nexgrill is more powerful.
Wow, that's a significant difference. Is there anything the Weber does better?
The Weber is lighter, 27.5 pounds versus the Nexgrill's 28.7 pounds, but not by much. It's also fully assembled, which is a plus for some people who don't like assembling stuff. The Nexgrill requires assembly.
Okay, good to know. What are the cooking surfaces like?
The Nexgrill has cast iron cooking grids known for their heat retention. The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. Both are good, but some prefer the porcelain coating for easier cleaning.
Cleaning is important. Does one have any special features?
The Nexgrill can convert to a griddle. The Weber has split grates, so you can buy a griddle separately. The Weber also has a push-button ignition.
The griddle option on the Nexgrill is interesting. I'm still on the fence. I wonder which one is better reviewed.
The Weber has a 4.7-star rating with over 4,500 reviews, and it's an Amazon's Choice product. The Nexgrill has a 4.4-star rating with only 230 reviews, so the Weber seems to be more popular and well-regarded by users.
Okay, that's helpful. It sounds like the Nexgrill gives you more cooking space and power for less money, but the Weber has a better reputation and is lighter.
Exactly. Depends what you value more.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.